Hey guys, this is Ben White. I am going to be giving you a little walkthrough on how to use Tithely. So first off, you're going to go ahead and download the app. I got it right up here in the left-hand corner. Once you download it, it should pop up just like this. Same as me. I already have an account, but I'll go ahead and create a new account just so we can walk through the process together. So you start with create an account, type in my email address, create a password, create a 4-digit PIN, and push submit. Now this process should be the same for both Android and iPhone. Go ahead and look up the church. So we'd be at Fellowship Baptist Church. And it should go ahead and search regionally for all the churches in your area that are using Tithely. And obviously our church right there, Fellowship Baptist Church, 3200 Reed Road, Clark Lake, Michigan, is right there at the top. So I'll go ahead and click that one. Then I'll log into my account that I just made. So that's just with the email and the password you just had. Go ahead and log in. And now I'm set up and ready to go. So I'll go ahead and click Give Now. It will take me over to a secure page where I will then go ahead and add my debit and credit card information. All right, I wanted to show you this. So as you are adding in, it says up here debit, credit or debit cards right here at the top with the plus sign. If you look down at the bottom, you'll see a section that says credit debit, and then over on the right hand side you'll see it says bank account. So let's go ahead and click bank account. And here we can go ahead and add in our bank account information. Now the benefit of adding your bank account is that the processing fee is about half as much as a credit card. All right, so now that we're all done setting up our payment information, we can come back here. So we'll go ahead, let's say we are opening up the app and we're ready to give. We can come right here to the front screen. Press Give Now. It'll take us over to the window. So here at the top, let's just put in $5. And let's say we want to give this. And underneath the Give To is the next section, and you'll see there. And here we have a variety of different ministries that we can give towards. And this is due to change depending on the season of the church. You know, I am the student pastor. So let me go ahead and click student ministry and I'll give $5 to this. Maybe I can take a teen out for coffee. Call me biased. Here you can go ahead and choose your giving type if you choose to give via card. So I have my American Express, Visa, and Apple Pay set up on there. But I'm actually going to go ahead and go to the bottom and I'm going to click over to the bank account. So that way, the processing fees are not as much. The amount at the top, giving to student ministry at the next section. And if you want to give to multiple, you can even click add gift right under there. And now here is something really interesting. You can click cover card processing fees. So there we go. It'll add 35 cents for the processing fees to the card. That way, we're not putting that on the church to cover these processing fees. I'm just going to go ahead and say, sure, I'll cover those processing fees. So we'll put in $100. We'll see the processing fees is $1.31. We'll just go ahead, go back to $5, and we'll go ahead and cover the processing fees. And now here's something else also really interesting right here at the bottom. We can push set up automated giving. So we can give every week on Sunday, we can give every 2 weeks, once a month, but we can set up automated giving so that every single week we can go ahead. For me personally, I enjoy doing this because I can pay my tithe every week without having to remind myself. So I'm going to go ahead and give to Fellowship Baptist Church $5.35. Thanks for setting up your automated giving. And I have it going out $5 every week to the church. And now let me show you how to actually go ahead and reverse that. So we're going to go return to home. And you can go right down here to automated. And right here you'll see it has weekly to Fellowship Baptist Church. Well, I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this automated giving. And there you go. We'll go ahead and go back. All right. If you look down on the left-hand side, you'll see recent. If you go ahead and push recent, it will pull up all of the giving records that you've ever given through the app, which is really great for just keeping a record of all your giving and having it right there. It's just really, really convenient. And then down here, you have your account. And here in your account, you can then go ahead and update various parts of your personal information. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this made sense and you find this useful. And we just want to thank each and every one of you for your overwhelming support for Fellowship Baptist Church. And it is your giving that make these ministries possible. And it's so awesome to see the lives that are being touched and the gospel being communicated and spread throughout literally this whole world because of your generous gifts and donations to Fellowship Baptist Church. And we look forward to what God is going to do in the future.